Hi guys, this is Michelle at My Everyday Wife Life, and this is my Christmas Clean and Decorate with Me front porch decor, and it is the start of my Countdown to Christmas series. Okay, it is the day after Thanksgiving, and it is time to get this front porch cleaned up and put this fall stuff away. The porch is mighty dirty. We live in Florida. It's very buggy. We leave the front porch light on, and the bugs have been horrible this year. There is bugs everywhere. We did buy this bug zapper. We have yet to hang it up. Rather, hubby has yet to hang it up. And we'll let you know how that works. If it works pretty good, or I don't know. I think we have way too many bugs for it to work out. Okay, I think it's time to put some of this fall stuff away. What do you think? If you're new to my channel, again, my name is Michelle and this is My Everyday Wife Life. I'd love to have you subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And this is also a collab that I am hosting with a bunch of other YouTubers who will be cleaning and decorating their front porch too. So when you're done watching my video, click on the playlist. It will be linked down below in the description, and it will be on the end screen. And make sure you check out all the channels. Okay, on Friday I got sidetracked with doing some DIY topiaries that I did with the DIY Mommy. If you want to see that video, I will put the link down below. You can see them right there. And the Kit Kats are hanging out with me outside while I clean the porch. And we still need to redo some of this landscaping, but if you want to see what we have done so far, I will put the link down below. The weather has been a little cooler in the morning here in Florida, and hubby and I have been hanging out on the front porch. We've even needed to use our blankets, and you can see it is just a mess. There's coffee mugs everywhere and banana peel, and I'm just going to clear everything off the porch. Hubby's going to need to find somewhere else to hang his hat, and I'm going to put the fan inside because we no longer need that. We had that out for the summer, and we don't need it anymore. And I didn't even hang this basket up for the fall decor. So I'm going to find a place for that and put it in the garage. These are the DIY toilet paper pumpkins you may have seen me made in another video and on Instagram. Well, I'm going to disassemble them and reuse the toilet paper, and just the napkins will be folded flat and stored away. So I have made at least 20 of these pumpkins, and I would need a whole bin just for the pumpkins, and now I don't. And the extra toilet paper there that was wrapped around the outside to make it more fluffy, yeah, Calvin's going to play with that for a little while, and then I'll throw it away. I'm going to clean up and put some of this stuff in this storage bin that I got off of Amazon. It is the Suncast brand storage bench, a little mini one. I love Suncast. It really holds up to the Florida weather, and I'm gonna store a few things in here for easy access, and that bug zapper in there until hubby gets a chance to hang it up. You can see how filthy the porch has gotten. Honestly, I don't know how it gets so dirty. I really don't. I don't know. Other than the bugs, I'm not really sure. I did clean it, deep clean it before the fall. I put out my fall decor, but apparently I hadn't been sweeping the porch lately. And I'm going to sweep the porch, and you'll see here in a minute that Calvin makes an appearance. Calvin is my kitten. He is 5 months old, and we also have Hobbs, who is 6 months old. We got them in August, and they have been a delight to have, really. They are funny. Okay, so Calvin ran inside as soon as I turned the water on. I guess he doesn't like water. He's pretty much not afraid of everything, but he doesn't like the water. So I'm going to scrub down the front porch with this Dawn and the hose, and I'm going to use this wand sponge thing that I had bought for the car, and I totally forgot I had it because I used to use a push broom. If you've been watching my channel, you've seen me use a push broom to wash the windows and the screens. Well, this is going to work much better and a little bit easier. And again, the windows on the porch are really buggy, and just Windex was not going to cut it. The same thing with the screens. I just lay them on the ground and scrub them with the wand, and it works really well. But sometimes you still need to use a little toothbrush to get all the buggies out of the corners. And now that the weather is cooler, I cleaned the tracks because we will be opening up the window pretty soon. We have been able to do that here and there, but not consistently. Hopefully soon. Okay, all clean, and that is enough for today. I will be decorating tomorrow, but I got a little mess to clean up here. You'll see in a second. I'm going to put the Christmas tree there, and I'm not sure what else I'm going to do. Okay, there's the mess I was talking about that I need to clean up. I'm going to clean this up and go inside and chill for a little while and do some stuff inside and decorate tomorrow. Okay, it is Monday morning, and I did a little bit of decorating off camera, and these topiaries are looking a little sad. I'm not sure they're going to last with the Florida heat. It is starting to cool off, but we shall see. I might have to replace them with something else. So let's finish decorating. I got this Home Sweet Home doormat from Target a couple years ago. I believe they still have it. If so, I will link it down below. And the black and white checked under mat is from Amazon. I did not buy a whole lot of Christmas store decor this year. What you see I pretty much had already, but I did pick up this buffalo check farmhouse looking fabric ribbon from Amazon. I will put the link down below. I wanted to wrap some packages with this, but I wanted to make that reusable and less throw away. The boxes and the paper will be recyclable, and I can recycle the ribbon next year. Okay, I was going for a rustic cabin in the woods theme with all of my red buffalo check, and a lot of this decor I already had, but I did pick up a few things from Target you may have seen in a Target haul video. And it looks like it's going to rain. I hope it doesn't put a damper on my decorating because I need to get this done for you, and I need to remember to change out that flag.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, Merry Christmas! Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Okay, I finally found the rest of the porch decor that I needed. I need to reorganize this mess. Hopefully that can happen in January. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm taking a little break, and I'm going to have some coffee and a granola bar. Again, most of the decorations are things that I have accumulated over the last couple years, or maybe even many years, but I am looking to downsize. But I'm probably going to keep everything on the front porch because I really do like how the front porch turns out in the end. I did something similar last year. If you're interested, I will put the link down below so you can see the difference between this year and last year. I did add a few things, but the only thing I bought really was the ribbon. I think that was all I bought. Okay guys, I think I'm done. I don't know about you, but raise your hand in the comments below if you get like 3/4 of the way done and you say, I'm done. That's good enough. I got all excited, wanted to do this, definitely, but I think it's good enough. I think it's an age thing. I'm gonna actually pare down on my decor, and let me just give you a tour of the final thing. But you know, it's never final. I might zhuzh it here and there every once in a while if I find something else that I want to put out here. Maybe not. All right, I definitely think these are going. Yeah, they're looking sad. Yeah. So I am missing my other block. It's probably in another box. The last couple of years, I was so tired after doing decor that I just threw it in the box and didn't put it away correctly. So I will be organizing everything come January. I got my energy back. I'm good to go. So stay tuned for that. I will be decluttering both my Christmas and fall. I was gonna do the fall now, but I'm like, well, I don't want to do that. So just stay tuned for that. I'm thinking I'm gonna do it in January. All right, so everything I got, everything you see, I have got in the past. So there's no links. Well, not everything. If there's a link, I'll put a link down to it. That was from Michael's. I think that was Hobby Lobby. And I just put the deer up there, buffalo check deer. It needs to be fixed. It came apart. The humidity gets to things in Florida and comes apart in the attic. And then I just left that like that. I do have a lantern that I could decorate. You open it up, and if you've been following me, you've seen my my fall decor. But I don't know. I don't think I need it. If I feel like doing it, it's in the garage. I can get it out. So I'm not real happy about how that looks with the yellow door, but I'm not painting it. So this is how this turned out. Those are new. Those are from the Dollar Spot. You can't link that because it's from the Dollar Spot. And I made that a couple years ago. I'll put the link down below to the video for that. And those, believe it or not, are from Publix. I don't know if that's from Publix or not. Publix often has some cute little, it's hard to reach up there, some cute little decor, but this year they did not. So, and these were from Marshall's, and I used them to make the wreath, but then I thought they looked cute on these wooden spool. Look at this. This is how this came. So I just left them there and dangling. Okay, and then this is the tree, which needs more ornaments, but I have not yet broke all of my Christmas decor. My house is a disaster inside with stuff everywhere. I was decorating yesterday inside with what I had in the house and the ribbon. I bought this buffalo check ribbon and just been decorating with that. I'm going to see if I can minimize what I have and just make it work with the lights, with the fairy lights and the ribbon, and then yeah, then I can have less stuff. I want to cut my stuff down by half. All right, so again, all this stuff, I do have a link for the buffalo check. I got that from Amazon, and these were placemats. I do believe I made these. Yes, were they? No, they weren't. I lied. I thought I made them. I didn't. I've done that before, where you just take a placemat and make a it has to be like a double-sided one, and you just stuff it and make a pillowcase out of it. I must have found those somewhere. I'm thinking a couple years ago from Big Lots, maybe. And same with all this stuff. I'm not sure where I got it for. I've had it for a long time. And I think I could link the pillows. They are from Amazon. Y'all, don't buy pillows. Just buy covers. So inside here is my fall pillows that you've seen in my video, my front porch fall video, and I just covered them with that. I might use them inside. I'm not sure. We'll see. And then again, all this stuff, those lanterns I got from Target a long time ago, they actually light up, but not anymore. The moisture gets to them out here. I could put some fairy lights there, and I really just like how that looks, so I always just leave that there and don't take that decor down. And I've had those snowmen forever, and I like the cactus in the corner, give a little Florida. So I was going for a cabin theme, in case you didn't notice. So yeah, that is, I think that's pretty cool. I have some snow, some spray snow, and I was gonna spray it and stuff, but it's really humid and it would just melt. Well, not melt, dissolve. It's not real snow. It's just really humid today, so that ain't gonna work. I have to wait for drier weather if I want to use the spray snow stuff. So, let me know what you think in the comments below. And I have my flag hiding behind there. When it stops raining, I'll get hubby to put that up. And I'll put the link down below for the ribbon. It was a good deal. It's really nice material ribbon with the wire in it. And I also got this chalkboard from Amazon recently too. But everything else I had already had. Okay guys, thanks for joining me, and thanks to everyone who participated in the collab. The link will be down below to the playlist. Make sure you check everybody out. And stay tuned for my continuing countdown to Christmas video. It really will be clean and decorate with me. But I guess I'm just gonna call it Countdown to Christmas, like I have done years in the past. I will be doing the dining room, a hot cocoa bar, and the family room with decor, with the tree and stuff. And the girls, Abby and Michaela, my grandnieces, will be coming over to help me do that. They have done that 3 years in a row. It has become a tradition, and they're looking forward to that. Probably won't be till next weekend. So yeah, all right guys, until next time, enjoy your day. Merry Christmas. Again, don't forget to click the link down below in the description of the playlist and everybody that has participated in this collab. And if you want to see me on days that I am not posting a video, go on over to Instagram at MyEveryDayWifeLife and you can see me there. And if you're new to my channel, see my face right there, click on it and subscribe. And see that link right there? That's the playlist. Click on that and watch everybody's video.